Hello Bilingual Homies, today we will prepare a beautiful pizza. Let's start with 2 cups of flour, then 1 full spoon of yeast, and start mixing everything with a fork. Now take 1 cup of water, but just put the half and keep mixing. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, just a 1/4 cup of water, 1 spoon of olive oil, and continue mixing everything. Now the rest of the water. Add 1/2 cup of flour and it's ready. Finish mixing everything. Start with your hands, of course. You can add more flour if it's too sticky. Now you just need to knead the dough until it's ready. When it's ready, cover it and leave it rest for 2 hours. And now it's ready. Grease the oven tray with olive oil and start spreading the dough. When you finish, add tomato sauce. And put it in the oven for 10 minutes high heat. The dough will start growing. When it's done, take it out. Now you can add some cheese, ham, and salami. And go back to the oven for 10 more minutes, but now medium heat. Now it's ready. Look at this beautiful pizza. The bottom of it will be very crunchy, delicious. Now cut it, of course, serve it, and if you want, you can put some oregano. Delicious. Yeah, you can also add some oregano. And that's it. Enjoy it. I hope you like it. Comment, share, and remember to subscribe Bilingual Home.